So where are we at?
Yeah.
Where are we at?
Yeah, it's okay.
We are in how do you pronounce it? Nguuni?
New?
How do you pronounce the sanctuary here? Nguuni?
Nguuni.
Nguuni.
Nguuni, yeah. Nguuni Nature Sanctuary.
That's right.
Yeah.
And we're in Kampala.
Okay.
Or sorry, we're in Mombasa.
Yeah, Mombasa, yes.
So this is my tour guide, my Uber driver, and we're kind of taking a look at these giraffes and yeah.
Giraffes, Oryx, Elands over there. Yeah, and then there's an ostrich behind there.
Yeah, sounds good.
Yeah.
So where should we go? Should we walk around a little bit?
Yeah, if you want, then you can go a little bit, but I think the animals are right here. So if we go there, just some nature walk.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
This is probably perfect then. So can I just walk right through the middle, or?
Yeah, no, the big giraffe can kick.
It's better to walk like.
Yeah, maybe through this side.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was wondering about that too. If they could be aggressive at times as well.
Protecting his family.
So I guess you know all these animals, like you remember each one, right? Like you know the story about this one, and
The name, I mean?
like do they have a name? Do you give them a name or anything like that?
Some others have names, some others we just give them numbers, you know. Like that one is called Louis. This one is Louis, and this one is Furaha.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
We have a new baby which is 3.5 months. One is behind there.
Do you have ones that you kind of personally like a favorite that you like?
Like,
Do you have like a certain giraffe that you like that you kind of always see and you're like, hey?
no, we are not used like that to make them friends, but they're just here always, so we just know them.
Oh, okay. And then there's feeding time is at 3 p.m., right? 4
p.m.
Okay. Yeah, this one's pretty close to us. So yeah, anyways, we're in Mombasa and I'm kind of checking out the, yeah, it's pretty interesting.
Nguuni Sanctuary.
That's right.
Nguuni, Nguuni. Nguuni.
So I was standing kind of close to that one right there. I guess that's the female one. This is the male one. And then the male one came in kind of like a protector. He was telling me that it's kind of like a protector there. There's quite a few right there. Then we have some kind of antelope right there as well. And they're feeding some ostriches right there.
Part of the pack are waiting and they are going for deliveries. Call this number. Don't be that I think of those from Facebook.
Yeah, amazing.
Yes.
So that's actually a giraffe skeleton.
Yeah.
Oh, amazing. Okay. Antelope.
Yeah, these are antelope. We have also some tuna. Wewe ni kichwa tu mleto. Eggs of an ostrich.
Ostrich eggs. Oh. Those are oh, these are fake?
These are not fake, but they're shells.
Shells?
Yeah, because you remove the yolk and then remain the shell. Because when you leave it like that, then it will rot.
Yeah.
Really, after a few weeks, it becomes green, you know, because there's product inside.
Oh.
So we remove it. Yeah, imekuwa used. Yeah. So it's just a shell. Like this one is broken.
Are they easy to break?
Yeah,
Or
no, not easy.
hard to break?
I think somebody hit it.
Yeah.
In a plastic.
Yeah, so see the layer.
Yeah, it feels like plastic.
Yeah.
Amazing.
It's a railway. Yeah, you know when an animal died, then we put the skull here. So that
Oh, so that's why there's skulls there. Giraffe and antelope.
the male eland.
Oh, there's many.
This is a male water bug. Female eland. Female eland. Water bug. Male eland. This is a water bug male. Oryx. This is a lesser kudu. These are legs, bones of a giraffe.
Wow, giraffe. Wow.
This is another giraffe here.
Wow, it's huge.
And this one here, it's a backbone of an ostrich.
What's over here? What's that?
Here, this is a they are hatches of guinea fowl. We are keeping guinea fowl here. Remove some chickens.
Oh, okay.
We remove the chickens. We remove the guinea fowl. I think they're somewhere out there.
Huge reptile just crawled up here.
Oh, this is red-headed iguana lizard.
Iguana?
Iguana lizard, yeah.
I don't see him. He was went pretty fast.
Somewhere up there. But there's so many here.
Yeah, I think I see them
Yeah,
all over the coast, I think.
yeah. You may find another one.
Oh, that's cool.
Well, sitting in a study. We don't want to fly. So we designed this one like a restaurant. So when you have a big function like a big party, then you can arrange your drinks here.
Na uwezi amkodeshi
Tunakodisha huwa.
per month ama hata mtu anaweza chukua hii yani.
Kuna mara huwa ni quiet one day.
Amchukui hii ya mwaka.
Huwa ni siku moja tu.
Okay, pretty cool.
Kwa miezi ngapi hata? Amaka kwa
Okay, so we're gonna leave, but this is basically the top where all the animals are at. And we took Uber driver, and we can park here, and then you can come up and top and see it. It's 1,000 shillings to get in.